In this guide, I'll show you how to send a Steam digital gift card to your friend on Steam. So, from the store page, you want to have a look on the left side, and here you'll see the option to get a Steam gift card, so go ahead and select it. Now, that'll bring you to this page here where you'll see digital gift cards, send it via Steam, so we're going to select this option here. And then you'll see a number of different options for how much you want to get on the Steam digital gift card to send to your friend. I'm just going to select $5. Now, here's where you'll see your list of friends, which you can select, or you can search by your friend's name. I'm just going to select a friend and then go to continue. Now, you have to input the recipient's name as well as the gift message, and you can leave your sentiment here, so game on, and you want to give your signature, and then press continue. From here, you'll have to enter in your payment information and agree to the terms, and then you just want to select purchase at the bottom. Then your friend just has to accept the Steam digital gift card you sent to them, and they'll be able to use it. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.